What is your name?
I'm Jessica Swiggy.
Jessica Sigley. How old are you?
She must.
You're 2 years old. And do you know how to sing Jingle Bells?
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle away.
Ooh, you fell off the chair. Are you all right?
Daddy,
Yes.
I fell off the chair. Daddy, I want to go back on the chair.
You want to go back on the chair? Okay.
Back.
Okay, you're back in the chair.
Now I push.
Daddy will push the chair. Now, can you sing Jingle Bells for Daddy?
Jingle bells away. All upon horse. Way.
Oh!
I'm wrapping the paper in the message. I tore it up
And why are you wrapping the paper with the message?
because I'm wrapping the paper. It's really wrapping the paper